Good morning, class 8. How are you? And last week you were having your second half yearly exam, and I think everybody has done their best in that and written all the questions whatever given to you. I think the paper was not so difficult for you because each and every point was described to you in the videos, whatever videos has been sent to you. And one thing more, revisions also has been done with you with all the chapters, whatever chapters has been given for the syllabus. So I think so everybody has done their best in the exams and written neatly in the sheets, because neatness is very important because you're doing the exams at your home. So I think you have written very well, but the neatness matters there. Okay, if you write horribly, then it is unable to read the answers. So girls, please see that you have written carefully, neatly, and every point is clear, and each and every point is up to the point which a question has asked you. Okay, the programmings whatever has given to you, the flow charts, the algorithms whatever has given to you, I think that is very clear to you. The questions were very clear to you, the what to you have to do it. Okay, so moving forward to our chapter, that is the last chapter in this subject, that is networking. Okay, after that we are over with this subject. All the chapters has been done with you. This is the last chapter which we are going to start. Okay, so the topic is networking. From the topic it is very clear. Okay, it is very clear. ये बहुत साफ लग रहा है कि networking होता क्या है. Nowadays you can see that each and everything is done by the online. Okay, for biggest example is your classes. Because of this big pandemic, everything has been locked down. Your classes, your studies, everything you are doing it from your home. Even your assignments, your competitions, whatever competitions you are having, essay writing, drawing, whatever. Now you have got another competition, that is of Christmas, that is also online. You have to do fancy dress, you have to sing, you have to dance, you have to create things. All these are online. So in our life, networking is very important. Network. Net. What do you mean by net? The word net. हिंदी में नेट को हम क्या कहेंगे? जाल. है ना? द वेब्स. ओके, आपने स्पाइडर देखा ही है ना? I've explained you many time in your previous classes also. आपके प्रीवियस क्लास में भी मैंने बहुत बार आपको नेटवर्किंग के बारे में बताया है कि क्या होता है नेटवर्किंग. वेब्स, चारों तरफ से हम पूरा वर्ल्ड इस वेब से घिरा हुआ है. हम हर कोई हर कोने में कनेक्टेड है एक दूसरे से. वी आर कनेक्टेड टू ईच अदर विथ ईच एंड एवरी पर्सन इन दिस वर्ल्ड. Okay, it is not that you don't know that person, you are not connected, but you are connected to the internet. Okay, you are not personally connected to that, but with the internet you are connected. Kyunki whenever you are in the social media networking sites, you get so many friend requests. Okay, the person who doesn't know you also. Yes or no? So it means that you are not alone in this network, in this websites. You are connected to each and every person in this world. Okay, so networking means working in the webs. Okay, working inside the web, working with each other, connected to each other. Networking means connected to each other, working with the people connected to each other. एक दूसरे से कनेक्ट करके जो हम काम कर रहे हैं उसको हम नेटवर्किंग कहते हैं. ठीक है, एक दूसरे से हम कनेक्ट कर रहे हैं, जैसे अभी हम आपसे कनेक्ट हो रहे हैं. ऐसा तो नहीं है. और ये वीडियो यूट्यूब में जा रहा है कि नहीं? तो ये यूट्यूब में जा रहा है तो क्या सिर्फ आप ही देख रहे हो इसको? नहीं, सॉरी, नहीं. You are not alone to see this video. Yes, you are the students for whom we are making the videos, but the other person is also watching this video in the YouTube. Until and unless you are not making it private. Private means the person who you know, then only that person will see. If you make it public, then everybody will see this video. That has also options. Social media networking sites. When you use Facebook, you ask for the privatization. Yes, privatization means you are protected. पब्लिक से हो जाता है कि वो सबको ही आपका फ्रेंड रिक्वेस्ट, जब आप करते हैं, फ्रेंड रिक्वेस्ट भी नहीं करते हो तो आपका प्रोफाइल खोल के कोई भी देख सकता है, ठीक है. बट इफ यू मेक इट प्राइवेट, देन ओनली दोज पर्सन विल सी द प्रोफाइल ऑफ योर फेसबुक, दोज हु आर कनेक्टेड विथ यू. क्लियर? फ्रेंड रिक्वेस्ट कोई भी भेज सकता है, लेकिन आपका प्रोफाइल वही देख सकता है जिससे आप कनेक्टेड हैं. क्लियर? तो नेटवर्किंग व्हेन 2 or more person are interconnected via cable or with any medium जैसे हमारा मोबाइल है, केबल जैसे टेलीफोन्स पहले जमाने में, in the earlier days there were telephone, you can see the small telephones with dials, and now also telephones are there, but we are not using much more telephones. We use mobile phones regularly. Yes. Then with computer for sharing resources with each other is termed as networking. Sharing things. हम आपसे कितना कुछ शेयर करते हैं नेटवर्किंग में, करते हैं ना, बहुत कुछ शेयर करते हैं हम लोग. हम फोटोज शेयर करते हैं, मैसेजेस शेयर करते हैं, डॉक्यूमेंट्स शेयर करते हैं, अटैचमेंट्स शेयर करते हैं ना, वीडियो शेयर करते हैं, तो बहुत कुछ हम शेयर करते हैं. तो इसी कनेक्टिविटी को हम क्या कहते हैं? नेटवर्किंग. नेक्स्ट इज इंटरनेट. व्हाट इज इंटरनेट? The internet is a network of networks and collection of many services and resources which benefit in various ways. Internet, international networking. इंटरनेट का फुल फॉर्म हो जाता है इंटरनेशनल नेटवर्किंग. नेटवर्क और नेटवर्क, इंटरनेशनल नेटवर्क और इंटरनेशनल नेटवर्किंग. ओके. जो पूरे यूनिवर्स या पूरे वर्ल्ड को जो कनेक्ट करके हम काम करते हैं, नेटवर्क टू नेटवर्क, नेटवर्किंग. नेटवर्क ऑफ नेटवर्क, एक दूसरे से कनेक्ट होके जो काम हम कर रहे हैं. कलेक्शन ऑफ रिसोर्सेस, बहुत सारे रिसोर्स को कलेक्ट करके जब हम किसी चीज को एक दूसरे से शेयर कर रहे हैं, that is called internet. Okay. Then search engines. Search engines. Search engines means where you search your informations. For example, Google. The biggest example of this is Google. Google is the biggest platform to search anything. Google एक बहुत बड़ा प्लेटफॉर्म है जिसमें हम हर एक तरह का चीज सर्च कर सकते हैं. Whatever you want, whether it is about your studies, whether it is about the environment, whether it is about the entertainment, whether it is about the politics, whether it is about the any person biography, whether you want to know about any project, whether you want to know about any other thing, anything, whatever you want to know, you can search from the Google and you will get the information. For example, like you are searching about Apple. APPLE, Apple. Okay. Apple. सुन के कैसा लगता है? क्या आपके माइंड में क्या आता है? सबसे पहले जब हम वर्ड बोलते हैं एप्पल, when we say apple, what the image you make in your mind? The fruit, red color fruit, yes? But apple has two meanings. Okay, apple has two meanings. कैसे? एप्पल फोन भी आता है कि नहीं? एप्पल दो कलर के भी होते हैं, रेड एंड ग्रीन. ओके, एप्पल हैज टू कलर्स आल्सो, रेड कलर and green color. Both are apples, and Apple is a company also which produce mobile phones, tabs, okay, laptops, so many things. Okay, so if you search Apple, then it will give you about the fruit also and the company also. But if you write fruit and then Apple, then it will give you about the fruit. If you say red apple, then it will show you about the red apple where it is grown most. Okay, if you write green apple, then it will show you about the green apple. And if you write only apple, then it will show you the company Apple, which produce the mobile phones, the tabs, the laptops. Okay, so when we search anything in the search engine, we have to write the particular thing what we want to search. Okay, like with the same name, so many people are there. But if you write the particular identification of that person, then it will get the perfect answer about that. Okay, so searching is also a way of art to search the things. Yes, if you don't know, then you will not get the proper answer. So when you search anything, then you have to search according to the identification of that particular thing. Okay, clear? Next is web page. Web page means the page which is opened when you are opening the site. The first page when you open, like if you are using the Firefox, Mozilla Firefox, you opening the Internet Explorer. The first page which you see, that is called the home page, that is the web page. Okay, where you can see many things. Okay, the hyperlinks are also there, from where you click to that and you can go to the next page. The web page are those which you are having the photos. So it is an electronic page, text and based on text and images. You can see the text also, you can see the images also, you can see the videos also, which contains information about the website. The site which you have opened, according to that, the information which is given to that page is called that web page. Website. Website means the site which you are opening. Like you are opening according any entertainment site, or you are opening any educational site. Okay, that site when you open, it will open the web page of that site. Okay, site means like a book. Okay, you having the book, like this is a computer book. Okay, computer book, when you open that computer book, you will go to that particular, if you want to go to the chapter number 7, you will open the chapter number 7, means the book is your website and you have gone to the page chapter number 7, that is your web page. Clear? Understood? Yes, this is the way to understand. Okay, like for example, you have taken the book, your computer is the book. Take an example that computer is the web site. Okay, computer book is the website, and when you go to the page chapter number 7, then that is the page of that book. Okay, so website is computer and page chapter 7 is the web page. Clear? So today we'll stop here. Go through the video very carefully. Understand the video. If you are having any query, please comment on the comment box. Okay? But today, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.